Artist Aman, and also you can subscribe his channel on YouTube, Artist Aman. So thank you Aman for making my sketch. Thank you.
I see what he loves. Hope you know that you got everything. I messed up and I'm haunted. And if I'm being honest, I see what he loves about you. You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got everything. I messed up and I'm haunted. And if I'm being honest, I messed up and I'm haunted. Jealous. I'm I see what he loves about you. You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got everything. I messed up and I'm haunted. And if I'm being honest, I try to make it all stop. Say I'm okay, but I'm not. No, I can't help it. I'm so jealous of you taking that place in his heart. It should be me, but it's not. Wish I could care less, but I'm so jealous. I see what he loves about you. You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got everything. Messed up and I'm haunted. Jealous. I'm
So I got this parcel in morning, which is sent by Aman from Etawah. Let's check it out.
Hope you know that you got everything. Messed up and I'm haunted. Jealous. I'm jealous.
So yeah, this is my sketch, जो कि अमन ने बनाया है. And बहुत अच्छी कोशिश अमन. Keep it up. Very well done. So guys, you can follow him on Instagram, Artist Aman, and also you can subscribe his channel on YouTube, Artist Aman. So thank you Aman for making my sketch. Thank you.